Hey, can I ask you something weird?
Go ahead.
People keep saying this feels like 2008 again. Same mornings, same fear. Is another crash actually coming?
Honestly, that's exactly what's making people nervous.
Wait, what happened in 2008 again? I know it was bad, but why?
2008 wasn't just a crash, it was a system failure. Banks were giving loans to people who couldn't afford homes. Those loans were bundled, sold, and treated like safe investments. When people stopped paying, everything collapsed.
So basically, too much risk hidden under the surface?
Exactly.
But what does that have to do with today?
History doesn't repeat perfectly, but it often rhymes.
What does that mean?
It means the details change, but the warning signs look very similar. Warning sign. First sign, debt is exploding. Governments, companies, even regular people, everyone is borrowing more than ever.
Isn't that normal though?
It is, until it's not. When interest rates rise, that debt becomes harder to pay, and that's when cracks start showing. Warning sign. Second, asset prices feel disconnected from reality. Stocks are high, housing is expensive, but wages not growing at the same pace.
So things are getting expensive, but people aren't getting richer?
Exactly, and that gap creates pressure. Warning sign. Third, interest rates are high. For years, money was cheap. Now, borrowing is expensive.
And that affects everything, right?
Everything. Businesses slow down, people spend less, and the economy starts cooling.
So, are we heading for another crash?
Here's the truth. No one can predict the exact moment, but the conditions we're seeing today, they're not random. This doesn't mean a crash is guaranteed, but it does mean one thing. You should be paying attention.
So it's not about fear, it's about being aware?
Exactly. If you want to understand how money, markets, and the economy really work, subscribe, because what you don't understand can cost you.